On freshly rinsed chicken, add seasonings. Chicken size and season will be linked in my description box. Add your oil to your pot and a tablespoon of curry. Allow that to heat up for about 30 seconds and then add your chicken. You're going to stir this chicken in the oil with your garlic and your scotch bonnet pepper for at least 5 minutes, and then you're going to cover. While it's covered, it will spring its own water, and then you're going to go in and add your scallions and your onion. Another 10 minutes, you're going to go in with your potatoes and your carrots. The cooking time on this is 40 minutes, and in your last 10 minutes interval, that's when you're going to add some more scallion and more scotch bonnet pepper if needed, and a cup of water. You're going to allow this to cook down to a nice thick sauce, and then your curry chicken will be ready. Look at that, so delicious. I already have a full video of this, which I will leave in the cards up above and also in my description box. The full recipe and method will also be in my description box, so don't forget to check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed as yet for more delicious recipes.